Let's be honest. Updating the header and footer on every page is frustrating and time-consuming. Imagine a site with 20 or 50 pages or even more. You'd have to repeat the same change everywhere. That's where the idea of a global header and footer comes in. You write it once, and then reuse it across all your pages. First, open the code editor. Open the folder where our files are located. Now I have already created a simple HTML file. Inside the body, I added two empty divisions, one with an ID of header, and one with an ID of footer. These will act like placeholders where our global header and footer will appear. At the bottom of the page, I have loaded two JavaScript files, one for the header and one for the footer. Now, in loadHeader.js, I have written a small script that grabs the header division and injects our entire header HTML code inside it. The header contains a logo, navigation links, and a button. Notice that we don't need to copy-paste this on every page, this script will do it for us. Similarly, in loadFooter.js, I have written another script that injects a clean footer section. This contains copyright text and some useful links. We will add some more links later to show how dynamically it changes in all pages by editing this one file only. To make everything look professional, I've added a separate CSS file. The header sticks to the top, has smooth hover effects, and the button has a nice color transition. The footer is minimal, with links that change color on hover. Nothing fancy, just clean and modern for demonstration purpose only. You can apply this to trick on any of your manually designed website. Here's the magic: if you now create another page, let's say about.html, all you need to do is copy the same structure with the two empty divisions and load the same two JS files. That's it. The same header and footer will instantly appear, no need to rewrite them.
We will copy and paste the content from index.html to about.html. Then we will change the h1 tag to this is about page. In loadHeader.js page, we will link home menu to index.html and about to about.html. Then we will save the file and refresh the window where the index.html file is open. Now check, we only update the load header file and it is applied to both home and about page. Let's add more to it and then check. Now let's do same with footer section. We will add a new link, contact us to footer section and link to contact.html. This will update the footer section of all the pages we created. As you can see, the link is available on all pages just by updating one page. Isn't really cool and time-saving? Now there is issue with this as well. Because all the links are inside the loaderheader.js and loadfooter.js, it will not be detected by most of sitemap generators, such as xml-sitemap.com. Either you have to create sitemap manually, or other way, which is simple and effective, is to mention all the links in main file and invisible section. Let me show you how. Just add this to your index.html file or any other page with style as display none. On your page it will not show up, but sitemap generator will pick up these links. Now I will provide this demo site with all files in it to play around and to check how it is built. Comment if you like this tutorial, and if you want any topic to cover, then let me know. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.